بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Okay and okay mean the same thing. Okay and okay are two acceptable spellings of the same word. In formal writing, follow the requirements of your style guide.
Okay 1. Okay interjection. 1 used to show that you agree with something or give permission for someone to do something. Can I have your mobile now? Okay.
2 used to ask someone if they agree with you or will give permission for you to do something. I'll see you at 9, okay?
3. Used when you start talking about something new, or when you pause before continuing. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Okay, any questions so far?
4. Used to tell someone to stop arguing with you or criticizing you. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Look, Asma doing her best, okay?
2. Okay adjective, adverb spoken. 1. Not before noun, if you are okay, you are not ill, injured, or unhappy. Synonyms all right. Are you okay? Do you feel okay now? Mum's doing okay now.
2. Not before noun. Something that is okay is acceptable and will not cause any problems. Synonym alright. Will 9:30 be okay? Does my hair look okay? That's or it's okay. Sorry I'm late. That's okay. Is it okay if I leave my bags here? Yeah, the TV's working okay.
It is okay for somebody to do something. It's okay for you to work now.
It is okay with or by somebody. I'll pay you the rest tomorrow, if that's okay with you.
Kindly note it. People usually avoid okay or okay in writing, and use more formal words such as acceptable or satisfactory. We have to make sure that the quality is acceptable. 3. Okay, or okay verb, past tense and past participle okayed, present participle okaying, third person singular okays or okayed, okaying, okays, transitive, informal. To say officially that you will agree to something or allow it to happen. The plans have been okayed, so let's get started as soon as possible. In a satisfactory way. Everything was going okay until the printer stopped working. Did you sleep okay? I just called to make sure that you got there okay. Synonym. Fine. Okie doke or okie dokie. Convention. Okie doke is used in the same way as okay to show that you agree to something, or that you want to start talking about something else or doing something else. Informal, spoken. Okie doke Shama. I'll give you a ring.
Origin. OK stands for all correct, or ole correct, and comes from an abbreviation trend which was popular in Boston, Massachusetts, back in the 1830s. Other popular abbreviations at the time were OM, No Go, GT, Gone to Texas, and SP, Small Potatoes. Many of the abbreviations were deliberately spelled incorrectly for humorous effect. For example, a predecessor of OK was supposedly all right. OK gained widespread use when supporters of the American Democratic political party stated that it stood for the nickname of presidential candidate Nathan Van Buren, aka Old Kinda Hook. Vote for OK became a snappy campaign slogan that popularized the use of OK across the USA.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.